G'day guys, Troy from MoTackle Outdoors, and I have with me today the DStyle Reserve 70mm topwater lure. The DStyle Reserve is a small topwater baitfish imitation that draws fish into striking with its erratic and slow shaking action. Featuring a unique translucent wing system that slows the forward movement of the retrieve and creates the illusion of a weak struggling baitfish on the surface. The translucent wings are also equipped with 3D eyes to mimic several baitfish busting and tangling on the surface. The Reserve topwater can be retrieved several ways. A slow twitch and stop retrieve mimics a single wounded baitfish on the surface, while a steady retrieve mimics a small school trying to flee predators. Fitted with a rear black tail to help define the Reserve's topwater shape, it is also armed with a sticky sharp treble hook for an increased fish landing ratio. Available in a range of highly realistic airbrush paint jobs, the DStyle Reserve topwater is the product of fine detail and craftsmanship that Japanese lures are known for around the world. This topwater lure is a must for any keen angler. For more information on the DStyle Reserve, go to motackle.com.au.